Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn, if you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the special fairy tale pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have stock, lilies, and letter. So Capricorn, today you are in a very positive vibration, guys. Things are going in a very positive way, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your career situation. Whatever you have planned for, all that is going to succeed, guys. Projects or maybe whatever work related decisions you make, you are earning a great reputation for yourself, and you are someone who is making the right decisions. And maybe if it is something in your relationship, you are having a beautiful understanding with this person and you share a great intimacy with them, and you are maybe this relationship, it may be your, this person may be your karmic connection, guys. You would have felt really familiar even at the first time you met them. So, and I also see that there are some new beginnings coming in your life today. It may be a new beginning in your career, maybe new job opportunities or offers coming your way today, guys, and you are happy for it. And for some of you, it may be a new phase in your relationship. Maybe you are getting married or having a child together, starting a family. So some positive growth or positive changes are happening in your situation, guys, Capricorn. And I also see that you are getting some important message. It may be a good news coming to you, guys. So maybe this person you love, they are uh, making an announcement, a good positive announcement maybe, or they are telling their friends about you both, or they are announcing your wedding together. So some kind of a positive news or an announcement is coming today, guys. Or if it is something in your work, it may be regarding some projects, you may be getting a written confirmation as a form of a letter, maybe for that project or whatever new beginning you are having today, guys, getting today, Capricorn. So let's see what are these cards. So in your relationship, we have this card, guys. So this person you love, they may be trying to control you on certain things, but in heart of hearts, guys, they have that honest, truthful intentions towards you. They want everything good for you. So that may be the reason they are suggesting you or giving you ideas, or when you're making some decisions, they are telling you or inspiring you to make certain decisions today, guys, Capricorn. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Ring. So we see that there is a new beginning in your career. Maybe you are getting some positive news. Maybe you are signing some important deals or agreements, guys. So Capricorn, that is a reading for you all today, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or had some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and There is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys, and this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.